Toyota has released the first details about the facelifted Go ahead of its debut at the Geneva Motor Show. The exterior, the model has been equipped with a new fascia which features recessed accents beneath the restyled headlights. Toyota says this change transforms the car's X-shaped front end into a more powerful, three-dimensional architectural element. Additional changes are limited, but the Go features new taillights as well as a revised color palette that includes blue and magenta. Lastly, the model can be equipped with technical look wheel caps or 15-inch alloy wheels. Toyota will also be offering two specials editions. The Go X-Cite has a two-tone magenta exterior and 15-inch alloy wheels with a black finish. Inside, there are body color accents and special seats with magenta stitching. The Go X-Trend goes in a different direction as it has black exterior with cyan accents and sporting stickers. That theme continues in the cabin as drivers will find cyan details and partial leather seats. Power is provided by an upgraded 998cc 3-cylinder engine that features a higher compression ratio, a new fuel injection system and an improved balance shaft to reduce vibrations when idling. Thanks to these and other improvements, the engine now develops 72 PS, 53 kilowatts, and 93 Nm, 68 pounds-to-foot, of torque.